Because that same natural mineral that smooths rock-hard heels could also scrub that stubborn ring out of your toilet. Stick around, this might be the most versatile ingredient in your home. We've all got rough patches we can't smooth away. Cracked heels, tough elbows, calloused hands, and then there's that tough stuff around the house. Water rings, soap scum, baked on grease that regular cleaners barely touch. Most fixes mean one mean synthetic scrub, plastic microbeads, or harsh chemical cleaners. Turns out there's a simpler one ingredient answer to both. That's why I want to introduce you to one of my favorite DIY secrets, fine pumice powder. It's 100% natural and is from right here in the USA. On the body, this is a powerhouse for the toughest spots on the body. Heels, calloused hands, rough elbows and knees. Mixed into a DIY foot scrub or soap, it buffs away thickened, hard, dead skin to reveal that soft, smooth skin hiding underneath. One important note is that this is a body ingredient, not a face care ingredient. It's too coarse for the more sensitive skin on your face, so only use it on spots that actually need that heavy-duty exfoliation. And here's where it gets fun. Pumice isn't just for the body. When mixed into a paste, it's one of the best natural scouring ingredients. Stubborn toilet rings, hard water spots, baked on grease in pots and pans, even scuff marks on tile. It physically breaks those down without any harsh chemical ingredients. Because it's a real physical mineral, a little bit goes a long ways for both skin and surfaces. For body care products, stick with wash-off products rather than leave on the skin. Skip the face entirely and avoid broken areas of skin. If you're mixing in a bigger batch for cleaning, try not to breathe in the fine dust. And always store it in a cool, dry place. One ingredient, a softer body, and a cleaner home. Grab your own USA-sourced pumice powder in the link below, and I'll share some recipes right in the description. Which one are you trying first, the toilet scrub or the foot scrub? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for new natural videos every week.